Hi, I'm Karen North from EHE Academic Technology, and I'm going to take you through creating a welcome letter for your course. The first thing you want to do is you want to sign in to your course in CarmenCanvas. From within this window, what you'll want to do next is you'll want to go over here to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, you'll want to go here to this pencil to compose a new message. From here, you want to select the course that you are sending your message to. And then from this drop down, you will have an option to send it to all your students. You can select all in students. And then type a subject. And then from here, you can type your letter in. You want to think about ways to kick off this particular course in a nice way. So think about adding your personal touch in it. And you can also add a file if you wanted to attach the syllabus, or if you had something in there, if you wanted to create a quick video or audio comment, you could do that as well. Once you're done composing your perfect welcome message, select send. And that's how you kick off your course with a welcome message.